2, 1, drop it.
Okay guys, so Honda Civic, time do something with the cracking noise from this wheel. I think this is the CV joint. We have the CV joint kit, part number like that, blueprint. We see that will be actually what we needed. We have the grease, we have the tube to add the grease, we have the set of the clips, boot, nut, very well, and I think is crack this basket. Sometimes happen like that, but first I have to measure that is exactly same like in the car. That will be a little challenge. Okay, set looks very nice, hopefully will be okay. So first step, remove the wheel and remove the center nuts. Alright, we have the nuts. Cool. Try moving this first. Looks okay. Looks like actually we need it. Hopefully it will be easy to remove it, only the head kicking out. If not, we're later in trouble. Okay. And the best idea will be remove the drop link just for more space. But maybe that's not necessary, we see. So first remove the two clamp, remove the boot and try kicking out. Okay. 14. Easy to out. Now we have lots of more space. tough to moving, so I'm sure problem will be here. Now we have to try kicking out for all of this. That's not nice. Macieju, podciągnąłbyś mi coś tu? Podciągnąłbyś mi coś tu?
Kurwa, nie przy ludziach.
Byś mi spróbował ciągnąć go, tylko w tą stronę. A ja bym próbował... O to chodziło.
Teraz weź tu, rób sam.
No nie no, samemu widzisz. Musi być jednak to ciągnięcie. A żeby nie wyleciał tam, trzeba trzymać. Okay guys, so like you see, must be two person. One have to pulling, another one have to catching this, be not pop out from the other side, and hit. Like you see, that was not too trouble, if you know how. Okay, we have the new clip what is fitted here, but my experience tell me don't touch this. If it's not physical damage, leave it this, because if you want fit here you have to make more out, and that's be trouble put back. So if possible, leave it. No, coś by było. Ja sobie szperek nie ma pomylisz. Nie ma?
Nie ma.
No to lipa.
Tam ten kurwa oczywiście nie mam zdjęcia przygotować.
Yeah, we have to spend some time to add the grease inside. You can go to the... Put in maximum grease what is possible. Okay, moving out, it's really full. That's the grease for all here. It's not necessary put the grease into the rubber, but if you still left, you can do it. My one looks like it's almost empty. Yeah, so that'll be fine. The main is the basket and the bowls. Should be greased like that. Try don't touch the grease around, because the bushing should be catching here. Lovely. So now time for the boot. Okay. So we come back to the car. Put in. Ah, hold on. You see? What's this? That's the place, the carbon place. When should be fitted the boot. So actually here. We lock this later. So now it's time for the boot. This is universal, so we will be fitted later. If you need more space, you can move in this and put some rubber block between. That's be handy. So we try, we see what happens. Okay. Alright. So now if you feel is in the correct position, you try putting. Yeah. It's coming in. You can try moving out in. Yeah, I feel the log is coming in the correct position and moving really smoothly. That's the best. Okay. Yeah, I feel a little bit play like the lock is in. Very well. So time for the like heart. If somebody loves the cars, yeah, that's the heart. This is very soft, so you can use the normal pliers. Just be gently. Don't cut this. 100% be okay. Exactly this. This as well. Looks cool. Moving very well. Cool. The best, you can use the grease here. That's copper grease. Okay. Try put back. That's probably will be not too easy. That must be. Okay, let me try. otworzyć, zamknąć? Time for the nut. Lovely. Just we have to find now where's the lock. It's here. Okay, one is here. Nut. Front. And it will be great. Of course, we have the new one. My gun is very strong, so I sure that's fine. But if you don't have gun, or if you don't have any good one, use the brake bar and tighten up how is possible. Time for lock. That's not like that. Okay guys, so another job is done. Put the wheel, go to test drive, and we see after night will be quiet or not. But anyway, this one was very tough to move in. So I'm 95% problem was exactly here. Okay.